How to fix iOS 13 speaker sound low problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and do the basic checks, that is, check the volume buttons. Press the volume up button on the left side. Next, check the silent switch. Make sure the small switch above the volume button is not set to silent, that is orange showing. Also, check media versus ringer volume. So, launch the settings application and then tap on sound and haptics, and under ringtone and alerts, drag the slider up. Also, go ahead and clean the speakers. Over time, dust, lint, or dirt may block the speaker grill. So, use a soft brush, dry cotton swab, or clean toothbrush to gently brush the bottom speaker holes. Also, make sure not to use water or sharp tools like needles or pins. Also, go ahead and open settings again and tap on sound and haptics, and then scroll down and tap on headphone safety. Further, go ahead and disable reduce loud sounds if it is on. Next, check your Bluetooth. Sometimes sound plays through a connected device. So, swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Here, tap on the Bluetooth icon to turn it off and then test the speaker again. Also, if your iPhone got wet, the sound may be muffled. So place the phone in a dry spot and let it air out. Do not use rice or hair dryer. You can also try playing a speaker cleaner sound high frequency audio from YouTube to push water out. Also, go ahead and make a quick restart to your iPhone, as this helps in fixing minor glitches. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version. So open settings and tap on general and then on software update, and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version. In general, again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset all settings. Do not worry, as this will not delete photos or apps but will just reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. settings. So this is how you can fix iPhone speaker low sound problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.